Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Pal. I welcome to everyone in my channel Asirvad English Gyan. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead. In this video, I am going to explain might. So, if the sentence is ending with shayad he, then we use their might. So the structure is subject plus might plus V1 plus object. We use might with he, she, it, name, single noun, I, you, we, they, pronoun. With all we use might. So for example, वह शायद ही आएगी. Simple, she might come today. वह शायद ही नहीं आएगी. Negative, she might not come today. क्या वह शायद ही आएगी? Interrogative, might she come today? वह शायद ही कैसे आएगी? How might she come today? We use might in the possibilities of 30%. वह शायद ही खेलेगा. Simple, he might play. वह शायद ही नहीं खेलेगा. Negative, he might not play. क्या वह शायद ही खेलेगा? Interrogative, might he play? वह शायद ही कैसे खेलेगा? Double interrogative, how might he play? Let's move on third one. As you can see, वह शायद ही नाचेगी. Simple, she might dance. Negative, वह शायद ही नहीं नाचेगी. She might not dance. क्या वह शायद ही नाचेगी? Interrogative, might she dance? वह शायद ही कैसे नाचेगी? Double interrogative, how might she dance? Let's move on fourth one. हम शायद ही पढ़ेंगे. Simple, we might study. हम शायद ही नहीं पढ़ेंगे. We might not study. क्या हम शायद ही पढ़ेंगे? Might we study? हम शायद ही कैसे पढ़ेंगे? How might we study? Let's move on fifth one. वे शायद ही लिखेंगे. Simple, they might write. वे शायद ही नहीं लिखेंगे. Negative, they might not write. क्या वे शायद ही लिखेंगे? Might they write? वह शायद ही कैसे लिखेंगे? How might they write? So guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel for getting more videos, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.